Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to learn aligning text in HTML form with the help of CSS style sheets. How we are going to making alignments. The text it may be center, left, or justify, or right. See, in this Word document, you will have enough facilities of the making the left and center and right alignment and justify. Such a way we have a facility to making our control of our text in our HTML form. With the help of CSS we can have the control how to display, how to make it as an availability of the content and all the things we can do it. Let's see how it is. The text align, this is the property I have highlighted here. The text align property is used to set the horizontal alignment of a text. A text can be aligned as left, right, centered, or justified. What we have discussed and show you here. The following example will show you the center aligned and left as well as the right aligned text. To be left aligned is the default of the text direction by default, and the left to right, and the right alignment is the default is the text direction for right to left. We'll see how it is going to be applicable while applying of the style sheet help, how it is going to be changed turned around with the HTML form. I'm taking here with the simple help of h1, h2, h3 tags of these three tags for applying for this code. I'll see here, I'll show you first one is an h1 tag is an h1 alignment text with the help of center. And the second one I'm going to take it's a h2 tag I'm taking, it's not coming. H2 I'm selecting, yes, this is text for left alignment, whatever it. Third tag I'm taking like H3, help of this text is for what we can take it as right alignment. This, sorry, yes, right. As you will wish to make many, here without applying anything. By default, it is showing like this 1, 2, 3. Right now, I'm trying to apply these CSS styles to these classes, this 3 H1 H2 H3. How it is now CSS? How I am taking here, like you see here, alt H1 for applying of H1 tag. I'm calling pen and braces. Now text align. This is the property will tell you center. That's it over. For applying of the text alignment for the center is over. Now save it and refresh. It is making move to the from left to center. You observe? Very simple. Whenever you are taking a box, a portion of a particular place of a content place at a HTML page, if you are applied there within the box, like a text align center, it will be making it as a center of that particular box by making the left part and right part and aligning, and it will be comes to the center part. Now for the H2, this is the text for left is there, no? For that I am applying for some new tag which is called text align, it is left. And one more tag we have taken for H3. For that what I'm taking it is for text align, it is right or easy. That's it. Save it. Most of the code it will guide you, like your IDE will guide you. Based on the selection of the IDE, it will make you more professional way to develop your speediness of your development of your pages. Like save this form and refresh. See now, this is the left, it is as usual. By default, it is the left of the property will be set for HTML form without, if you are not applying for CSS as well. If you apply left, it will be always be left. And the another one, H3 we have taken for right. Let's see here, it is the for right position, it is placed. And the first one, it is the placed we have specified for center. All about this is how we have to presenting the data. I hope you are best and having a good idea how to presenting text alignments. So take the alignment, anything, not only the H1 tag, you take paragraph tag or table tag or anything, image tag, anything, it would be the applied for the same styles tags. All right. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.